Morning, as the Awareness Month for Autism gets underway, we're looking at the impact the complex neurological disorder has in Washington. To tell us more about local resources for families, we're joined by the President and CEO of the Washington Autism Alliance, Arzu Farrow. Arzu, thanks so much for being here with us.
Thank you very much for having me.
Of course, Arzu, what are some of the services and resources the Washington Autism Alliance has available to people here in our state?
Thank you for asking. That's a great question. We offer family navigation, which helps individuals and families navigate multiple systems of care in their own communities. In addition to that, we offer coaching for families who have children in special education, how to develop appropriate individualized education programs for them. We have training workshops every month on a variety of topics. We have one coming up on navigating autistic burnout versus depression.
And now 1 in 36 Washingtonians are diagnosed, and I don't know if that number is shocking to people or not, but that's quite a few children. So how many children does that account for? And then what are some of the roadblocks that families may run into in trying to find support?
Great question. So in Washington State, we have 143,000 individuals. Of them, about 51,000 are children, and we have about 92,000 adults in Washington State. There's often very long waiting lists for services. This is especially true for older adolescents and adults. Sometimes children have to wait up to 2 years to to have access to the services that are vital to them connecting to their communities, to their families, and most people don't realize that there's all these obstacles along the way. But we've worked really hard to improve access to care in Washington State, and we're now doing a fairly decent job for young children. We are looking to improve access for adults in Washington State.
And there's actually a big annual fundraiser that the Alliance does. When is it, and what do people experience when they go?
Thank you for asking. We wouldn't be able to do everything that we do without the support of and generosity of our community members and neighbors. We have a fundraiser on September 7th at Hideaway Cellars. It's a friend-raising event, and really learning about the gifts and talents of autistic individuals. Both of our performers are autistic as well. And then there is a live bidding on a variety of trips and experiences around the region.
All right, good to know. All right, Arzu, thank you so much for letting us know about that event. If you want to learn more about the gala or about the resources from the Washington Autism Alliance, just text the word autism to 206-448-4545 and we'll send you a link. Arzu, thanks for being here.
Thank you very much.